Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, and green color. Kids, now draw alphabets. And first you draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and here is red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and here is blue color. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, again use blue color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, now draw F. F for fish, F for fan, and here is yellow color. G. G for goat, G for grapes. The alphabets of G. It's neither H. H for hand, H for helicopter, and here is black color. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids, neither K. K for kite, K for king, and here is green color. Kids, again use green color and draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. The alphabets of L. It's neither M. M for moon, M for mango. The alphabets of M, and here is red color. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, again use red color and draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.